What's going on, guys? I'm so excited to share this Faucet website that I just tried. Claim multiple free cryptocurrencies with this platform. It has no membership plans or package plans as per my own point of view. It is a get paid for doing tasks platform. Xfacets.com is a global cryptocurrency faucet website where users just need to associate the wallet address in iCoinPay to obtain a certain amount of free crypto. If you want to know more about this faucet, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through on how to earn and withdraw. By the way, this is Ivy of Recreational TV. I make videos about money-making apps and sites 2-3 times a week. If you're into cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, please do subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss one. So, if you're asking how to earn on Xfacets.com, Step 1. Sign up and create an account. I will just put the link in the description below. Step 2. Log into the mailbox for authentication. Step 3. Sign into your Xfacets.com account. Before claiming free Bitcoin, you need to bind your iCoinPay user ID so that your balance can be withdrawn to iCoinPay wallet. Since I don't have an iCoinPay wallet account yet, I will click on Sign Up. After you sign up, you will receive an email from iCoinPay to activate your account. So here's how I'm going to bind my iCoinPay wallet user ID. Once you're done linking your iCoinPay user ID to Xfacets.com, go to Claim Cryptocurrency page. Now let's go try and get free Bitcoin. Let's just click on Claim and then pass the robot CAPTCHA. You can get up to 40 Satoshi of Bitcoin every 10 minutes. Now it says we have to wait for another 10 minutes to claim again. While waiting for our next claim in Bitcoin, we can explore the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Now let's try Dogecoin and do the same process. Click on Claim, prove that you're not a robot, and then claim. It's so redundant, right? We just need to claim, claim, and claim. This Faucet is probably one of the most awesome and accessible websites for earning free crypto. The straightforward and user-friendly interface makes it possible to earn cryptocurrency daily for those new in crypto space by just performing simple steps. Meanwhile, it is easy to withdraw your money. I absolutely recommend this Faucet website to earn free crypto. Now let's go try Bitcoin Cash. We'll click on traffic lights and then verify. There, I got 52 Satoshi of Bitcoin Cash. I will also try Ethereum. You can see here I have done 5 withdrawals already and all of them are successful. If you want to know more about Xfacets.com, you can just click on the main menu. There's Home, Faucet, Affiliate, Payment Proof, Tutorial about the faucet and account. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. Also, please do subscribe. This has been Ivy. Thanks for joining me today.